Good evening all. My name is Kalpesh Gambhir Bhai Chaudhary and today's our topic is abstraction. So what is first of all what is abstract? A class which is declared with the abstract keyword is known as abstract class in Java. It can have abstract and non-abstract method. What is abstraction? Abstraction is a process of hiding the implementation details and showing only functionality to the user. Another way, it shows only essential things to the user and hides the internal details. For example, sending SMS where you type the text and send the message, you don't know the internal processing about the message delivery. Abstraction let us focus on what the object does instead of how it does it. There are two ways to achieve abstraction in Java. Abstract class is 0 to 100% and interface is 100%. Abstract class in Java, a class which is declared as abstract known as abstract class. It can have abstract and non-abstract method. It needs to be extended and it method implement. It cannot be instantiate. So first an abstract class must be declared with abstract keyword. It can have abstract and non-abstract method. It cannot be instantiated. It can be construct. It can have constructor and static method also. It can have final method which will force the subclasses not to change the body of the method. So the abstract method in Java, a method which is declared as abstract and does not have implementation, is known as an abstract method. Suppose we example, bike is an abstract class that contain only one abstraction method run. Its implementation is provided by the Honda class. Suppose we create abstract class bike, abstract method, abstract void run method, and class Honda for extend bike. So in void run method, system.out.println running safely. So in public void main, public static void main stringers, we create an object bike obj is equal to new Honda 4. So obj dot run to call the method, so the output is running safely. So the real scenario of abstract class, the shape is the abstract class and the implementation is provided by the rectangle and circle class. Mostly we don't know how the implementation class which is hidden to the end user and an object of implementation class provided by the factory method. A factory method is a method that return the instance of class. We will learn about the factory method. So if you create the instance of a rectangle class, draw method of a rectangle class will be invoked. So in a create a class shape and method is draw, an abstract method draw. So class rectangle extend shape. So void draw method system.out.println drawing rectangle, and the class circle one extend shape. So the void draw method system.out.println drawing circle. So in another class test abstraction, in main method create a object shape s is equal to new circle. So the h dot draw method calling, so the drawing circle. So suppose the abstraction having abstract class having constructor and data member and methods. So abstract class can have a data member, abstract method, method body. This is non-abstract method, constructor and non-method, and even main methods. So the a real scenario of abstract class. The abstract class can also be used to provide some implementation of the interface. In such case, the end user may not be forced to override all the methods of interface. So suppose interface A, we create a for method void A, void B, void C, void D. So the another class abstract B implements A in public void C system.out.println I am C. So the class M extend B. So we create a method public void A, public void B, and public void D. So A method system.out.println I am A, B method system.println I am B, and D method system.out.println I am D. So another class test we in main method create an object A is equal to new M. So the A dot B, A dot C, and A dot D method is calling. So the output is I am A, I am B, I am C, and I am D. So this is the abstract class in Java. Thank you.